Did you know that the kidneys are one of the most essential organs in the human body? So if you want to improve your overall health, you need to take good care of your kidneys. Hello, welcome to another video from the Daily Health Boosters channel. Today we bring you 3 tips to keep your kidneys healthy, and consequently your health as well. I invite you to stay until the end of this video because the tips we bring are based on studies and scientific research. The Daily Health Boosters channel values your health, and we do a serious job to bring valuable content to you. So guys, if this interests you in any way, subscribe to the channel and leave your like to support our work. Tip #1. Drink water. I know you've been waiting for this one because it seems obvious, doesn't it? But it needs to be remembered. Studies indicate that drinking water properly is one of the most efficient ways to take care of kidney health and prevent long-term problems. This happens because by drinking water, we contribute to the transport of nutrients and the elimination of toxins. It also improves the functioning of other vital organs. The ideal is to drink the equivalent of 8 glasses of water throughout the day, especially in periods of intense heat, low humidity, or physical activity. Tip #2. Ingest adequate vitamins and nutrients. Just as our lungs need oxygen, our kidneys need adequate vitamins and nutrients to keep them functioning properly. Vitamin B6, for example, reduces calcium oxalate, which reduces the risk of developing kidney stones, as do herbal ingredients that can nourish and support healthy kidneys. But it is often not possible to get all the necessary nutrients into our daily diet, and this is where the question arises: which vitamins and supplements are good for your kidneys? Well, one simple way to support kidney health without medication is through natural antioxidant supplements, such as Kidney Support from VitaPost. VitaPost Kidney Support is a high-quality combination of plant-based ingredients that can nourish and support healthy kidneys, as it acts as a potent antioxidant. It has cranberry extract, which has been the subject of some pretty vigorous research in recent times. Scientists have determined that the proanthocyanidins in cranberries can limit the ability of bacteria to adhere to the urinary tract, and it also has beneficial flavonoids and phenols. Kidney Support capsules are natural and pure. You can be assured that they do not contain any stimulants or dangerous toxins. Each bottle is manufactured in the USA, in FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities, under sterile, rigorous, and precise standards. At the time we made this video, 3 vials came out for only $1.89, and you still get an extra vial, which will cover your 150-day supply. If you want to learn more about kidney support at VitaPost, the link to the official website is below the video description. Another powerful ally of kidney health is magnesium. Magnesium aids the proper functioning of the kidneys as filters, keeping the urinary tracts oxygenated and clear of calcium buildup. In our research, we found only one on the market that offers all 7 forms of magnesium in the optimal dose, and that was Magnesium Breakthrough by Bio-Optimizers. The 7 types of magnesium available in this formula provide improvement to virtually all of your body's functions. At the time we made this video, 6 bottles came out to just $160, which means each bottle comes out to $32 and free shipping to US and Canada. If you want to learn more about Magnesium Breakthrough from Bio-Optimizers, the link to the official website is below the video description. Tip #3. Keep your blood pressure at healthy levels. Hypertension is responsible for 25% of the cases of end-stage renal failure. There is a common relationship between chronic kidney disease and increased blood pressure. So when you have one of the problems, you need to keep an eye on the other. Hypertension can damage the kidneys because it makes the blood vessels in these organs thicker and more rigid. This reduces blood supply and makes kidney function inefficient. When the kidneys are unable to remove the harmful products, there is a buildup of fluid that overloads the heart and increases blood pressure. You can maintain healthy blood pressure levels without controlled medications or heavy and dangerous drugs, just by natural means, eating low-sodium foods, flax seeds, turmeric, and citrus fruits. Another natural option is herbal supplements formulated to support good blood pressure levels. An example of the best-known and well-recommended by real users is Blood Pressure 911 by Fittage Labs. Blood Pressure 911 has been formulated based on scientific studies and research to act on arterial and vascular stiffness. It uses only natural ingredients in its formula, such as buchu leaf, juniper berry, and olive leaf. Blood pressure. 911 comes in the form of oral capsules, and each bottle contains 60 capsules that are easy to swallow and cover a 30-day supply. At the time we made this video, 4 bottles came out for just $199.80 and free shipping to the US. If you want to know more about blood pressure 911, the link to the official website is below the video description. Remember, avoid counterfeit products and be careful not to lose your money or put your health at risk. Therefore, we have left the official website links in the video description for if you want to get or know more details about these options available to help you keep your kidneys healthy. We know that the journey of living a good and healthy life has its challenges, but with the right direction and good guidance, you will be able to achieve a healthy and energetic body. Just commit and focus on your goal, and take any treatment you choose seriously, and you will be able to achieve it. Well, these were the tips we had to give you today. If you like this video, leave your like and subscribe to our channel because we will always bring you content to help you have more quality of life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.